Welcome to Beastoon TV.
What's up, my dear children? I hope you are doing well. Today, I will tell you about the use of I am in the sentences. My children, I am basically is like saying who you are. It's the first person singular present tense of the verb to be. For example, I am happy means you feel happy. It's a way to talk about yourself and how you feel or what you're like. Let's see more examples to make our understanding clear. I am happy to play. I am happy to play. Now is your turn, my children. I am excited for school. I am excited for school. Now is your turn. I am kind to friends. I am kind to friends. Now is your turn. I am creative with crayons. I am creative with crayons. Now is your turn. I am responsible for cleaning. I am responsible for cleaning. Now is your turn. I am joyful when dancing. I am joyful when dancing. Now is your turn. I am adventurous on weekends. I am adventurous on weekends. Now is your turn. I am helpful at home. I am helpful at home. Now is your turn. I am caring towards animals. I am caring towards animals. Now is your turn. I am respectful to elders. I am respectful to elders. Now is your turn. I am attentive in class. I am attentive in class. Now is your turn. I am polite in conversations. I am polite in conversations. Now is your turn. I am excited about my games. I am excited about my games. Now is your turn. I am enthusiastic about hobbies. I am enthusiastic about hobbies. Now is your turn. I am fascinated by science. I am fascinated by science. Now is your turn. I am captivated by art. I am captivated by art. Now is your turn. I am mesmerized by music. I am mesmerized by music. Now is your turn. I am thrilled by fast cars. I am thrilled by fast cars. Now is your turn. I am impressed by magic tricks. I am impressed by magic tricks. Now is your turn. I am proud of my accomplishments. I am proud of my accomplishments. Now is your turn.